Hi, Cheryl. How are you, honey? I don't care. Listen, a couple days ago when it was super windy, well, part of your fence knocked down and fell into my yard. So what? So I was wondering if you'd mind if I put on a little tap dance show on it. So I need you to get your if he only had a brain scarecrow husband to haul it out of my backyard. That's what's so what. No, Cheryl, I know he's probably very busy. There's a lot of doors out there that say push that I'm sure he's pulling on, but still, when he gets a second, tell him to get it out of my yard, okay? Have a good one. Or don't, I don't care.